This video is about how to install Django and create a Django project. This is with the assumption that you have successfully installed Python in your individual workstations. So first is you should have created already a folder named MySample. So in my case, MySample is here inside my Python Django directory. Then open your terminal and go inside that folder, MySample. So let's navigate cd document /1 underscore leia slash my my Python Django. No, it's not there. My cd doc. Wait. cd cd documents 1 leia slash my Python Django. Let's check my sample is there. So cd my sample. If I'm going to check now the current directory where I'm in, so I'm already in my sample directory. After that, you may create a virtual environment by executing virtualenv-p Python 3. That's the version of the Python that I have already installed here in my laptop. So it's virtualenv-p Python 3 dot, press enter. So it says here created virtual environment. After creating the virtual environment, activate the virtual environment by executing source bin/activate. When you press enter, you will notice that my sample virtual environment's name is displayed. And then install Django by executing pip install Django inside that virtual environment by executing pip install Django. This would take just a few seconds to be installed. So it says here collecting Django, pytz. We have this. Okay, so it says here now successfully installed these 4 packages. So let's check again by executing pip freeze command to check the packages installed. So we have here now this 4 packages. Django is one of these 4 packages. So after that, let's start our Django project by executing this command, django-admin start project, the name of the project, which in my case, I want to name the project, which in this case, I want to name the project MySample, the same name as the directory previously created. So execute django-admin start project, the name of the project. Press enter. So if you're going to check now, the directories inside the virtual environment MySample. So we have here MySample. So to check if Django is running or to know or to open our first Django project, so let's go inside that MySample directory, change directory again, MySample. So pwd, I am now in this directory, MySample. This is the directory previously created. MySample is the virtual environment. And then I'm going to execute here now Python manage.py, runserver. So this should be seen when you execute Python manage.py runserver. You should be able to see this. Copy this URL and then paste it in the browser. You should be able to see this one. The installed worked successfully. So when this is shown, then that means you have successfully installed Python and Django, of course, in your workstations, in your individual workstations.